Hello children. Today we see how you can edit an assignment sheet sent by your teacher in the Google Classroom. That you can write your answers in the document itself which is being sent to you, or you can actually create a fresh one, write in your answers, and then return it back to your teacher for checking purpose. So let's begin. Let me share my screen and I open up my classroom from a student point of view. Now, supposedly you can see here that this is a 5B classroom group where your teacher has posted a assignment. So let me open this assignment. This is what you're going to see in your Google Classroom, whether you open it from your mobile or you open it from your laptop. So let me open this. Now, when you open the assignment, this is how it shows you the screen. Okay. Obviously, you'll not have the class comments if nobody has given the class comments yet. But concentrate on the right hand side where this box gives you the place to open up the document or create a new one, see the assignment already given, and then return it back to your teacher. So let us go by the first thing, that I open the document first. So just click here and I'm able to open it. Now here it shows you various options to open up your document. This being a Word document, correspondingly it shows you that you can open it up with Google Docs. So once you open up with Google Docs, it takes you to a different tab. And this is a place where you can actually, and this is an editable document rather, and you can actually type in your answers here. So though your teacher has given you a space to write, we really cannot write on that line. So what we do is we can just remove the lines and start typing in our answer. I'm just typing in a few words. And similarly, I can go to the second answer. Again, write in whatever you want to. Once you have written whatever you have to write actually. Okay. This being edited in the Google Drive, in your Google Docs actually, the data is being continuously saved in your Google Drive. Okay. So this has been saved in your Google Drive. Now what I can do is, I've got two ways to share the document. Number one, I go to this right hand side corner and find a share button. I can click on this and it opens up the ways by which I can share. Now, if you want to share it with the ID of your teacher, you can do it from here. Or else, the easiest way to do so is that you can just click on this get link option. Now, this is the link of your document which you have just now edited. And currently it is restricted to few people. Okay. So what I do is I just say, okay, anyone with this link, to whosoever I send this link, will be able to see my document. Okay. And not only the rights of viewership, I just change it to editor. That is, obviously you want your teacher to edit the document, make corrections, or check the document. So you have to get the link, then you have to change the permission that anybody on the internet with this link can edit it. So this link, whosoever has, will be able to edit your document. And here you have to change the permission. Not only I keep it to viewer, you have to make it editor. Okay. You can copy this link and share it with your teacher, right? So I do that. I copy the link. It shows me link copied. Then I say done. Fine. I go back to the window where I was working, and here is the place I can actually send the link onto this place. I can just add a class comment and paste the link here, and you may share it with your, send it basically, share it with your teacher, rather with your class. That's one way of doing it. Okay. The another way is that I'm again back to my document on the other tab which I've opened, which I had opened, and this has my answers. Now the other way is that after typing in your answer, you just simply close it because the data has been saved in your drive. So there's nothing to worry. Then I come here and I say add or create. Okay. So I click on add and it gives me a lot of options here. You can create a new document from here itself and start typing your answers. That also can be done. But currently I've already attempted the answers in the existing document. So I can just kind of click on this link and add the link here, which I picked up, and I say add link. When you want to give it by the links. Okay. Another thing is that you can also click on this and pick up the document from the drive. So I go to the drive and it directly takes you to the recent things you have done. Okay. So the recent things you have done is this, the very first document is your recent. Otherwise, it shows you all other documents which you have been using up in your drive. So I pick up this document. The moment you click on this, the insert tab comes up. So I click on this, and because I've already attached the file, it says file already attached. So what I can do is I can just delete it from here as of now and again do it. So I say Google Drive, pick up the recent file, say insert, and it'll get inserted. You want to give some comment here, private comment, ma'am, please accept my document. Whatever, you can do that also. Okay, this will not be shown as a class comment, this goes as a private comment. Now the third manner was actually that again I am deleting this thing so that I can use a third method and show it to you. So I again go here and ask him to attach it like a file. So it again takes me to the drive itself and picks up this file, the recent file which I want to attach. Click on insert, and that will get attached. Okay, so it's actually all the three methods is basically linking you to the same file, and the teacher will be able to open and check it up. Okay, after that what you can do is you can just click on turn in, which tells the teacher that okay, I had assigned it to 10 students and I can just see in one go 5 have turned in. So you just kind of click on this. So as of now 2 attachments will be saved because I have actually kept the original one also, and I'm attaching the new one also. And you just say turn in. So this goes as a reference to your teacher that yes, you have submitted your work. Okay. So this is the process by which you can submit the work being sent to you by your teacher. So I'm just wanted to tell you that. I hope it helps. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Take care.